How to make and create animated Facebook post on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com, log into your account and click on create a design and search for Facebook and go down, click on Facebook post. It will take you directly to this page. Now go here and scroll down until you find animated Facebook post option. Click on see all and choose any template you want here. All of them are animated, as you can see, for example this one, and you can change everything from here. For example, how to media, and click play. As you can see, it looks so professional. You have many other options, for example this one, and yeah, after you finish, click share and download. Don't forget to like and subscribe.